How do I get rid of content monetization policy violation? Okay, I've made several videos on how to fix this content monetization policy issue, right? And up to date, people are still chatting me and asking me how to fix this issue. A lot of people are responding to them and tell them to contact Facebook and give them many option how to contact Facebook. But most of them still come back and say, yeah, Facebook did not respond to me, and even I spoke with Facebook, and after everything, they did not fix it, right? So this is the reason why Facebook is not fixing the issue. Even if you appeal and Facebook review your page and you are doing the right thing, they are going to fix it. So a lot all this method that I teach you guys, a lot of people are using it and it's working for them. And why it's not working for you is because there is something you are doing that is not right. And until you stop doing that, it will not be fixed. Right, so a lot of you guys actually post people's videos anyhow, they just download people's video and post, and some do reaction videos, but they don't know how to edit the reaction video the right way. Most of you just put your face in people's video and feel like you've done reaction on it, so Facebook do not allow that kind of thing. You might see a lot of people doing it, but that doesn't mean that you are doing something right. All right, so and some other people use people's music in their video, so all these things are against the content monetization policy, and a lot of them, even some people that post violence videos, so all those things that Facebook said do not do. If you want to partner with us, if you are doing them, no matter how many times you appeal, no matter how many times you contact Facebook, they are not going to fix this issue. So firstly, the first thing you need to do if you want to fix this issue is for you to go through your page and ask yourself, am I doing something right? Am I doing everything right? Right. So if you are not doing things right, the only thing you need to do is not to contact Facebook. Firstly, you need to find a way to fix those things that you are not doing right. If you know that you are posting people's video, you don't know how to create content, come back to this channel, and I made a video on how to use other people's video. Right, I made a couple of videos on that. Watch those videos and learn how to edit reaction videos the right way, and start posting those reaction videos you edited well. Post it for like 1 month, and before 1 month self, if you are doing everything correctly, Facebook is going to pull out that content monetization policy issue. But if Facebook does not pull out that, and you know that you are now doing these things right, contact Facebook, and Facebook is going to fix it. Right. So the easiest way for you to actually contact Facebook is through meta verification. It doesn't matter if you are posting on your page. If you just verify your profile, your normal profile, with the meta verification badge, you have access to contact Facebook anytime, and they are going to respond to you anytime you contact them. And from there, you can actually send them your page ID and tell them to look into your page, that you are doing everything right, but you don't know the reason why this content monetization policy is not showing, and they are going to check your page, and after checking your page, they will fix it for you. So what you need to pay attention on is that you need to fix those things that are not doing well on your page, because if you do not fix them, once they go through your page finish, they will tell you, we'll get back to you in next 48 hours. That 48 hours might even reach next year or 10 years to come, and they will not say anything to you until you fix that. Without you doing the right thing, you see that it will not work, right? So no matter how many times you want to contact Facebook, you want to appeal, the most important thing is you fixing that thing that you are not doing well, those things that you know that you are not doing well. So examine yourself and know the things that you are not doing well in your page, and correct them before you contact Facebook. So contacting Facebook is the best way to fix this issue, right? Buy the badge is not cost, buy the badge, then contact them. They are going to respond to you, and they are going to fix this issue. So thank you for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you guys. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from this video. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment, right? And if you are new in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them, right? So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.